If you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to enjoying the game with synchronized audio. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in League of Legends are properly configured. Go to the game settings, navigate to the audio tab, and verify that the correct output device is selected and that the volume levels are appropriate. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit your computer manufacturer's website or the audio device manufacturer's site to download and install the latest drivers for your sound card. Step 3. Disable audio enhancements. Sometimes audio enhancements can interfere with game audio. Right-click the sound icon in your system tray, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab, right-click your audio device, select Properties, and under the Enhancements tab, check the box for Disable All Enhancements. Step 4. Adjust in-game audio quality. Lowering the in-game audio quality can help with desync issues. In the audio settings of League of Legends, try reducing the quality settings and see if that resolves the problem. Step 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio desync. Open the League of Legends client, go to the Settings menu, and select the option to repair or verify game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance. Enjoy your gaming experience.